to my colorful oblivion. Oh yeah. Well, all the people in the car that I'm sitting in are cruising just to cruise, and laughing just to laugh, and smiling just to show the whole world that it's our chance. When the sun shines up and you make your mind up, there's only one place that you might wind up. Stumble over happiness and just find love. Born and raised, blessed and made, learn to create, teach and mentor, never delay. Do whatever it takes so we can meditate, a clever escape and adventure now. Our love's like spray paint on the wall, tagging up the sky and it won't come off. Yeah, I said it won't come off. And if they wanna talk, let them talk, man, it's all love.
I don't give a damn what you think about me, 'cause the thing about me is I don't really think about it. I know we all got our problems and it's hard to look away, but it's our love. Yeah, it's our love today. It's our love today.
And I know that nobody's perfect, but it's all worth it if you're gonna take the time to get to know me.
And maybe we could.
Yeah, sit in the shade, sweet lemonade, play 20 questions while you're leaning on me. You're the only one that knows if you're doing it right. If you want to, the critics, it'll ruin your life, so we're like, and I don't care if you're totally straight, I don't care if you're totally gay. Whoever you are, whatever you are, however clever, sad, crazy, don't forget who you are. Come on, cuz
our love's like spray paint on the wall, tagging up the sky and it